guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're at Carlos and we got blue lemonade. I got, for food, I got pasta Alfredo, a side of fries, and I got the blue drink. This is her blue drink. And I got chicken strips and fries. So you're gonna need it for your pasta. Lemonade, alright. No Chick-fil-A sauce. This is yours. You gonna drink mine? Give me mine back. Just kidding, bro. Just kidding. Just saying, look, my breath don't stink. Your breath do stink. Bro. Hold on, come here. Hold on. No, that cold? Yes. Why did you do that? Sorry. This one not cold. Bro, stop touching me. And your breath do stink.